This is Nell Foster with Joyous Garden for ehow.com, and today I'm going to show you how to repot a crowded plant. First of all, know what kind of plant you have and what kind of a root system it has, because some plants don't transplant too well. Some plants have really sensitive roots, so you don't want to disturb the root ball too much. And you also want to know what kind of a mix to put your plant into. This, for instance, is a staghorn fern, and I'm putting in a mix of planting mix, potting soil, and orchid bark. So certain plants have their own kind of a potting mix, like cactus and bromeliads, like a really sandy, well-drained soil. Other ones, like a richer, deeper soil. Orchids don't like to be planted in soil, and they like to be planted in bark, so know what your plant is going into. And this qualifies as a crowded plant because I got this at the farmer's market a few years ago, and it only had 3 fronds on it, and now it's grown a lot. I've been meaning to repot it, and it was so pot bound that I had to cut the pot to get the plant out, which you might have to do also. So I will take it out now, and you can see it here. I'm not going to break this one up too much because I want it to stay in a pretty much of a ball, and I don't want to cut this one because I actually don't know how fragile that their roots are, and it's going to be mounted. So I'm just going to put it in just like this here. But I do know that I don't want this part of the plant to be beneath the soil, so I'm just going to dig this. I've wet the soil a bit first, so I'm just going to put it right in there. But some plants I really do loosen the roots. Well, when I planted this one, it was hard to do. So then what you would do, I have some more of the soil mixed up over here. I'm just kind of getting it down in there. There it is. I've just kind of smoothed it out a little bit, and as I said, I'll water it, and some of it will probably go down, and then it will be all set to go. This is Nell Foster for ehow.com, and I've just shown you how to repot a crowded plant.